The scrolls were discovered, at least at the beginning, believe it or not by the Bedouin boy, the way everyone says. The first scrolls were found in the Cairo Geniza in the 1860s, 70s, and on. The manuscripts that were coming out of this collection in Cairo, these materials brought us one of the most important Dead Sea Scrolls, what is today called the Damascus document. It used to be called the Fragments of the Tzadikite Work. And a few other Second Temple texts that were later found in the scrolls were found in this collection. So in 1947, the now famous Bedouin boy went into what we call Cave 1 and found there the 7 original scrolls, as we call them, the 7 first scrolls to be discovered that caused the main hullabaloo when they were found. But it's very important to realize that in the 50s, while the archaeologists were investigating the site of Qumran, the Bedouin, on the weekends especially, were digging all over the place. And eventually scrolls came from 11 caves, so that most of the material, such as that which comes from Cave 4, which was the biggest cave, this stuff came mostly in the 50s, in what was then under Jordanian control, the area of Qumran. Most of the scrolls were found either in broken form in caves, mixed in with all types of animal dung and other deposits, or alternatively, as an example of Cave 11, were simply found lying on the ground. So these scrolls get discovered by this Bedouin boy. He had no idea what to do with them, but they eventually found their way, probably through members of his tribe, into the hands of a shoemaker and antiquities dealer named Kanda. Eventually, they were divided into 2 lots. One went to the Syrian Metropolitan in Jerusalem, and one went to Professor Sukenik, the head of the Institute of Archaeology at the Hebrew University.